Celia Martin.
And I'm Todd Martin.
Our experience with Cody was great. He was very professional, and with all the equipment, like I was even pointing out to my husband, like the little guards that they put on the corners to keep the cords from bumping it and scuffing the paint and stuff. So just very professional, very efficient. It was a great experience all around.
I think in both, we not only had our carpet cleaned, but you also detailed our Jeep, which was, again, we have a large Alaskan Malamute, and she tends to shed quite a bit.
Like those commercialized stores, you know, they come in, they go out, and you're just another number. Whereas like with Glow, it's, you know, you're actually a person. They realize that this is your home, this is where you live your life, and that means something. We really liked how efficient they all were, and the pricing was very reasonable. I had actually called, I don't know, like 5 or 6 places to kind of get estimates and stuff. With Glow, the lady I spoke to, she was able to give me an estimate and obviously told me, you know, depending on the severity, it might be more or less, but at least I had that base estimate to go with. And then, like I said, so the pricing was great pricing. We were very happy with the work. And even, like I said, even with the 90-day guarantee, we didn't even have to utilize that at all because it was just great the first time.
I'll share that she did. She called around and she was just getting more and more frustrated. And then she called you guys, and it all of a sudden, even on the phone call, she's like, "This is the one." And that was, I mean, her whole demeanor changed after talking to you guys. It was awesome. Recommend Glow in a heartbeat. Again, very personable service, very professional, like my wife said, and you guys came right out and just attacked it with a vengeance, and it was done. There was no slow roll. There was no drag. And again, like I said, you not only did, you know, our 2 rooms in the house that we wanted done, but also the Jeep, all in one setting, and it was great.
Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't recommend. I mean, honestly, such a great service. Your results speak for themselves. Straight up customer service, and just the ability to feel like, you know, that we were important and we weren't, like she said, like just a number or something like that.
If you want friendly service, efficient service, and, you know, outstanding results, go with Glow.